warning for Richland County, southwestern Huron County, Ashland County, Morrow County, Knox County, until 6 a.m. At 5:04 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New Washington to near Waldo, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Fredericktown, New London, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Belleville, Plymouth, Centerburg, Ashley, Hayesville, Savannah, Hope and Chesterville.